So hello everyone, let's solve this simple question. In this question we have to prove this statement from this equation, right? And by the way, today I changed my background color. My background is light color. This is the color of my table, right? It reminds me of doing hard work. So let's solve this. So this color is no, let me take some light color, right? This color, maybe this good. So we would solve this until we would solve this further that until and unless we would got this value. So let's solve it, right? So yeah, let's solve it. So this 9n can be written as 3 raised to the power 2n, because 3 square is 9, and as it can be written in this form, and there is multiplication of n, so n multiplied, right? In it is in this way. So by laws of exponent you can write this in this form, right? I'm according to me, I'm thinking that laws of exponent is must all of you have cleared this, times 3 square, right? And again this. So see, this is in this form, right? Let me change my color. So it is this expression in this form, 3 raised to the power minus n raised to the power 2. So in that case, minus 2. So in that case, the powers would multiply. This cancels up, and minus 1 into n would equal to 3 raised to the power n. So here it would be 3n, right? So let me this, right? So into 3n, right? And 27 can be written as 3 cube, right? 3 cube. Let me write in an understandable manner. Yes, 3n. Now this 3m would be written as it is. So 3m and minus, into, sorry, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8. And again this expression, let's do not touch this thing, right? I would write here by solving LHS, by solving LHS, right? I am solving LHS right here. Put it here as semicolon. Yes, good. So now this can be further simplified. Here 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power, yeah, they are common, so we can write this in this form. And also you can see a thing that this whole thing is first term and this is second term. They're separated by minus, right? So we can do the thing by using law of exponent. We can all them up, right? Since the bases are same, so we can add the powers. So 3 raised to the power 2n plus 2 plus n, right? It would equal to 3 raised to the power 3n by 3 raised to the power 3m minus 8. So it can be written as, if you all them add them up, you would got 3 raised to the power 5n. Sorry, my bad. 3n plus 3 raised to 2, yeah, minus 3n by 3 raised to the power 3m minus 8. Now you can take 3 raised to the power 3 as common, right? So 3 raised to the power 3 and we take common. The thing we got is 3 square here and 1 here. By we got 3 raised to the power 3m minus 8. So now you've been wondering that how I took common. So see by keeping your mind here very focused. So this term, right? So this by using law of exponent we can write this thing as 3 raised to the power 3n times 3 raised to the power 2, right? And here we got minus 3n, right? So I have taken minus 3n common, because in these two terms this thing is common, so I have taken common, and the thing left here is 3 square, and it is 1. So yeah, so let me just erase them all up, right? Till then, I just request you all to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have very less subscriber count, so please subscribe my channel, right? And if you have time, kindly watch all my videos, right? So I've erased. Now let's see it. So now this term would return as it is again. Now we would solve the numerator. It is 9 after solving, right? I mean 9, I'm saying it would be 8, right? 8. So first of all, let me erase 3 raised to 3 square minus 1, right? So 3 raised to power 3n, and it would be 8, right? And now the thing I am doing is I am also writing it with RHS including, right? Now including RHS, right? Including RHS. I've included RHS in this expression, I mean in this equation right now, right here. So this term would written as it is 3 raised to the power n, 3n, sorry, times 8 by 3 raised to the power 3m minus 8. Well, it would equal to, what is RHS? It is 1 by 27, so that we can write it in this form. 2, yes, I mean 3 raised to the power 3n, sorry. So now it implies that, what can we do right now here? I've been wondering. So we can just wait a second. I have done a very huge mistake. It is multiplication sign, right? Sorry. I was thinking it was subtraction. Sorry, it was my bad, right? So now we can just cancel this thing all up, right? So it implies that the rest we got here is 3 raised to power 3, and here we got is 3 raised to power 3n. So sorry, 3 raised to power 3n right here, right? My bad. Oh no. Should I use this stroke one, right? Yes. Yeah, now we are good to go. So this is 3 raised to power what? 3n, and it is 3 raised to power 3m. It is equal to 1 by 3 raised to the power 3n. So we can take 3 as common, or simply we can write this in this form, that 3n minus 3m, because bases are same, and by using law of exponent we can do this, which is equal to, let also this thing be in this form. I have used law of exponent here, right? This is the inverse of it. This is the inverse, this thing with the inverse of this thing, right? This is law of exponent, and similar to this thing too, right? I'm assuming that you all know that what is the laws of exponents, right? what are the laws of exponent, I mean. So I would take 3 raised to the power 3 as common, since bases are same. So it would be n minus m, and it would be 3 raised to the power, oh well, again I have done a very huge mistake, a very huge mistake, sorry. There is no n right here, right? Because it is given that it is 3 raised to power 3 only. It is 27 only, right? It is 27 only. So yeah, 27 only, right? So we would erase all the mistakes we have done, right? So here I didn't put, well, no problem. Oh no, I have given. So it is 3 raised to power 3. Similar to here, it is 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 actually now, because again I have taken inverse, right? So now it is minus 3 right here. Now we would transpose it, right? We would transpose it. So n minus m, sorry, my bad, wait a second. Yes, so I was telling that, sorry, my bad, let me erase. Yes. So we can take like 3m as common, I mean 3 raised to power 3n minus m, right? Well, again one thing, this is 3 raised to the power, right? It is in such a way that in this way, right, at a raised to power m, this expression I have written in this form, right? Do not be confused. So I have taken, just multiply this 3 by here. So again, what do we got, right? So this is 3 sorry. So this 3 raised to power minus 3, right? So it is 3, yeah. So let's just take this thing only, right? So just cancel this 3. We got 3, and this is 3 2. 3m minus 3m into, which is equal to minus 3. We have to prove that m minus n, right? And we got n minus m. So again we will take 3 as common. So n minus m, sorry, yeah. So n minus m would equal to minus 3 left. So just the thing we would do is we cancel them up, and we got n minus m would equal to minus 1. We would multiply minus 1 on both sides. So we got this thing, and the thing we have to prove is this thing only, right? So we have proved here, hence proved. So it's a easy question, but I have done some mistake. I will hope that you would not make these mistakes. So again, thank you very much.